Today we're making these quick, easy and delicious eggless peanut butter cookies. First off, you're going to need some all-purpose flour, and to this you're going to add in your whole wheat flour and the baking soda, and then you're going to mix it all together. And then you're going to measure out 1/3 cup of peanut butter. Add it to a bowl along with the butter. And then add in your jaggery powder, or you can use some chopped jaggery, and then you're going to beat this for a few seconds till it is creamy. To this you're going to add in your dry ingredients and then beat them in. And you can switch to a fork so that it's easier to mix. And then add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk just so that it all comes together. And you can mix by hand and form a ball of dough. That is how it should come together. You're going to take about 1 tablespoon of this dough and form this into a small cookie. So you're going to first roll it into a ball and then flatten it. Repeat this with the remaining dough and place all of them on a baking tray lined with baking paper. And then just to make them look a bit homey, I pressed a fork into them. So you're going to do vertical and then horizontal lines. And then bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Bake them for longer if you want them to be crispy, and bake them for a lesser time if you want them to be soft. And then you're going to place them on a wire rack to cool completely. And then serve them. These are an absolute delight to eat, and if you love peanut butter, you're not going to be able to stop yourself. You can see the texture of the cookies. They are just perfectly soft and pretty much melt in your mouth. You need to give these a try for yourself, and trust me, you won't regret it. I hope you like this simple recipe, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for new recipes, and I will see you soon. Bye!